Good.
Alright, go.
It's my TTR 125 blue Yamaha. It's a racing bike. It does not have power rims. It's got the small wheel sport, black rims, black rim on the back. Missing the number plate. It's got the brush guards, a short stem, a key, electric start, and a kick start. It's a clutch bike. It's 1 down, 4 up. Stock exhaust. Brand new Maxxis tires on each of them. And it's a badass little bike, basically. And I'll do a startup on it. It starts first time, usually, every time. Nice bike. Later on, I'll make another video about taking this off. Take it off. It'll make it just louder. I'm gonna take it back loud. And pretty bad. Now we'll move to the Hybrid. It's a 06. This one's a I forgot what this is. It's a 03 model. It's a Hybrid. It's a Road King exhaust, big wheel sports, chrome, kickstart and electric start. It's an enduro bike. It's got mirrors, blinkers, headlights. There's steering on, and tail lights. It's got the big boy exhaust. It's a Hybrid. And we can do a startup on that. You can go ahead and start that. It's a pretty hard bike to start. I will admit that. It's got cruise control. It's a pretty badass bike. And we'll make another video about, we'll run them on the track, which you go around that little pole and come back around. And that's all. I want to watch it. Can you watch it?
Yeah, but yeah, I like your little bike you look for.